November 2018.
Okay. Now we are shaving. How old is the poodle?
6 years.
6 years old poodle with a wound below the right eye. Now this wound is actually a oronasal fistula, and it will never heal because it's discharging pus from below the premolar 4 root. Okay, enough. Will come. So we show the premolar 4 root. Let's show open up. The premolar 4 actually is there. Okay. Then use a forceps. You can see that there's a hole going into the root of the wound up there, or the wound up there. You can see this is the oronasal fistula. It's an open wound. Can you not go through? Not go through. Okay. Let's do the dental now. Get the container to put the teeth in. Just take away that one. Yeah. Okay, that one. This is the premolar 4. The anesthetic gas 1%. 4. PM4. Just write down PM4. This is M1. Write down M1. Right upper. Then this one is 2. Premolar 2. All these are right upper. Premolar 1. And we go up further. Any more M1 behind? No more. So drop off. Check carefully. No more. Any more? We look at the top first. Nothing. Got M2. There's an M2. So it just extract M2. Write down. Yeah, M2. Okay, so we do one by one. Now we go to the canine. Lay off the string. Loosen the string. So there's canine. Okay, canine seems to be okay. Then incisor 3. 2 incisor 2. Right upper, yeah. Incisor 2. Incisor 1. Right upper. All this right. Check carefully first. Wait. So we finish on the top first. This one loose. This one you turn a bit. It can be your hand. Okay, so this is first one. Then now we go over to the other side. We cut first, so we increase the. Okay, wait first and increase. So now we go the other side first. We look at the premolar first. Okay, we turn over. Disconnect first. Wear the gloves. Okay, we look at premolar again, but this one, ready to write down? Oh, it's very strong smell of bad breath here. This one is probably very hard tartar and periodontal disease stage 4. This is probably premolar. This is molar 1. Premolar should be in front of it. Okay. In front. The molar 1, premolar 4 should be this one. Yeah. Crack the tartar, you can see. And then premolar 4. If it's strong, then we don't extract. Okay. It looks strong. It looks strong. You just test it. Okay, that's okay. The next one. Premolar 3, 2.
Premolar
2 and premolar 1. Yeah. Then the canine. The canine is also full of tartar. This one, the roots are exposed. So it's periodontal disease stage 4. Stage 4 or 3 depends on the ligaments. Is it loose? So if not, then we just leave it. Okay, so we just have a quick look below. The front teeth definitely gone. Okay, loose. Left upper I2, left upper I2, and that's it. Okay, then just have a quick look at the lower part. The behind, is there any more? Okay, you still have any more M1? No, on top. Any more M1? No. Okay. So this video just shows that the oronasal abscess on the right side of the face below the eye is due to the root being
Lower molar one.
okay. So I shall stop video now because the rest is just extraction of the other teeth.